Welcome to the BISP solution. Our today's topic is data form validation. Basically, you can add and update validation rules to the grid, column, row, or cell. When rules are processed, they can change the color of the cells, provide validation messages to the user during data entry. Validation rules are saved within the form. Let us see how it works. For applying the validation rule, you need to create a form. I have already created the form. I'll show you that. My form is the profit and loss account. Let us see how to create this form. I've kept the properties form name as profit and loss. In layout, you have to define all the intersections. In row side, I have kept account as my intersection, and in column side, I have kept entity. Rest all intersections I have kept. Rest all dimensions I have kept in point of view and page side. See, my period is Jan. Year is FY15. Scenario is plan. View as periodic. Moment as no moment. Consolidation as entity input, multi-gap as local gap, currency as entity currency, data source as data input, intercompany as no intercompany, product as no product. After defining all the intersections, you can see on the right hand side there is an option called validation rules. Click on it. Here it will ask for rules for location. I have defined it as grid. You can see a plus sign. Just click on this when you want to add the validation rule on your form. This page will get opened up. You have to define the location, give the name of the rule, and give the condition. I have already given, so I'll show you that. This is my rule name, new rule 1. I have defined this condition in location is cell A5. Okay. My condition is if current cell value is less than equal to is less than 0, then process cell red. Means basically I want my gross profit comes in cell A5. I want that if the amount in cell A5 is less than 0, then that cell should be colored with red color, and if it is greater than 0, then it should be colored with green. If it is red color, then the message should be reflected as loss, and if it is green, then the message should be reflected as profit. Okay, so if current cell value is less than 0, then process cell red, else process cell green. Okay, after defining this condition, click on OK and save your form. Just see the layout of the form. See, my revenue was 1 lakh and my expenses was 30,000. So my gross profit is 70,000. It is coming with the green because it is greater than 0, and you can see the message is reflected as this cell is red, only gain. Okay, if we change the revenue to 10,000, that is from 1 lakh to 10,000, and save our form. See, now it is minus 20,000 because my revenue is 10 and my expenses are 30. So it is coming in negative 20,000, and it is coming in red color because it is less than 0. So our validation rule is working. So this is the way how you apply the validation rule in your form. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask. Thank you.